as interesting video game. So it's the first game. It's called Black Strike. Black Strike is my favorite one. And number 2, I'm gonna plot towards that. I am always tricking over tricky. I think that always I found this shit, especially the tricks. Hi. BS RPG. Alright, number one word is no. Did you hear him, guys? Oh wait. No way, you just stuck there. Oh my god. Well, this is my trick shot. My number 1 trick shot is here. The number 1 trick shot is the ladder trick shot. This is the popular trick shot ever. Like, bro, everyone using it in their like this. It always leads to when you're just gonna jump in over it. But I have another tricks about this staircase. It's this. Especially this right now. Up here. Like 3, 2, 1. Like, bro, we need to shift lock. There's no shift lock at all. Like, spin. Just like that. I like that trick. It's always especially me like that. It's my always idea I can use over and over again. If someone tells me like I can do this over. Like trick number 2 is this pearl case. I start this. I will call this a jump of tricks. That's a jump of tricks, which is I always use. Oh my god! I'm not ready. Doesn't cut at all. Right. 3, 2, 1 over here. This I'm not doing a staircase. 6. I'm doing the. Wait. This one doing. Alright. This is staircase too. I saw the tagger. We should like do this. I almost hit it that once. I always do just like over here. It always makes me a slower if you just came over from my side and talking right now. It's always especially the one and only the hardest one attacking me because I had the freaking butt at all. This is the one. Number 1 over here. If someone gets up, I will especially do this. Like, bro, this is the best tricks ever. Like, I really want that. Number 3. This one. I'm not putting that one. I'm doing putting this. You know why? Especially like this. Ow. Oh wait, it started. Come here, baby. Come here, baby girl. Oh wait. Oh. Wait, this is laggy. Wait, the point is, can't hit her. This is a Mickey Elson fast, bro. Okay, now I give it to her. I need to do my tricks. Loopsie! I know I was slow. Hi. Let me controls. Go to X. And this. This better. Wait. This I lot more slack free. Oh, over here. Wait. There we go. This one. Wait, he doesn't saw me. He doesn't saw me. He doesn't saw me. Like, bro, I just keep freaking her until he lost me. Exactly, he lost me right now. Oh. He actually thought I done that. Come on, we're gonna go. Do we Matrix? Matrix. Gonna do Matrix. Whoopsie. He thought he was better than me, but no, I was better than her. Oh crap! Holy crap! Stop. Whoopsie! I actually go up, and I actually go down. Wait! He turned in the face. Okay, here we go. Wait, what? What a paper from that. Oh, I will follow your steps no matter what. Come here. Oh, you want the one chance to win. Oh, here we go. Whoa! You're so smart. I cannot even lift it. You lift it. Guys, I'm not a girl. I'm especially voiced like a girl, but I'm not a girl. Alright, give me that. What the heck? I just give you one chance, but you really don't know what to do. Recut. Garlic soy milk. Oh no, what is it? Oh. At least I lost the enemy. Bro, I just gave her one more chance. But he just don't aim. Hey bro, I was standing. Ah! Guys, I'm not even showing my tricks yet. Oh, here we go. Oh, that, he was talking that I told Tate. I believe me so goddamn gladly. Whoopie. He thought, he will do that. But he was so slow, I could not take it. Oh no, I will die. If he does the one trick that he makes at me, I will die. Bro, where's he? Alright, here we go. Come on, focus. I need to focus right now. Alright, oh wait, don't bash up. I'm hearing nobody. Oh yeah, I'm recording right now. So I'm just doing my trip, so I'm not even ready. Whoopsie, I'm gonna go bye. Whoopsie. La la la. Like a broccoli princess. La la la. Thank you for the Dorito. I wish I would have done that. You will do that, I know. I'm gonna go focus. That's where I need to like do that thing. I made the okay, wait, what? Wait. Come. Gucci. Right. Guys, come. I'm dirty my desk. I need to let it. Oh, here's the enemy. Enemy. Run, the enemy. No way. That round goes from me. Local video. Oh. Pointing, I know that person face. Gate. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna do something. Cut this. Section off. I just saw my phone. Go. We just section back. Wait, here we go. Here. This one. I'm just gonna get you through. Wait, how much time is this? Right. Stop. I'll stop, bro. What the stuff? Is it nice? Oh.